Well, hi there. This is a quick overview video discussing a body of work that I've been working on for a number of years around Java Flight Recorder as well as JDK Mission Control. First, maybe about the context. The background around this is it's a technology that I found that's built into Java for quite some time, enabled by default since Java 11, and really allows for getting into performance analysis, monitoring, troubleshooting, and diagnostics around all Java applications. And this is one of the reasons why I'm so interested in the topic is that this makes it extremely portable to be able to go onto any environment, be able to capture a period of time, be able to download and analyze that particular file, and be able to share that with other people. So we can collaborate on open source tools and techniques for troubleshooting and diagnostic purposes with different teams, software engineering, incident management, technical support, software development, all sorts. That's one of the key benefits of such an approach, which you can see here. I have documented in here and got some examples as well as screenshots, explanations, real world scenarios, some aspects here talking about how some of these things work within a Java environment, looking at those common scenarios to try and help give practitioners understanding of how they might use and leverage those and what they also should be looking for. Followed by some concrete examples at the end of the document, real world examples. I've got 3 different real world examples here that I'm essentially calling out so that we can go through the analysis process so that we can look into some of the aspects of what's contained in there, how I went through some of these analysis processes and some of the insights that I've gleaned throughout the process. Pretty comprehensive documentation. There's a lot of things in there. Frankly, there's a lot of things that I'm going to have to go back and digest in coming and putting it together. Also created a YouTube video, and the YouTube video essentially it's about a 45-minute process that goes through some demonstrations of this. You know, how we get started, how we do the capture, how we start to look at the file. So it's a lot of the same content that's presented within the document itself, but depending on different folks' possibilities and ways that they learn, the video form with the visuals that are moving can be accompanied with the explanation can be quite nice. So I've provided it with links between the video and the document in the various formats. So who's the audience for this? Obviously, different levels of people are going to dive into this at a different depth. But anyone really who's working with Java applications, you don't even need to be a Java developer. You know, if you're technical support, if you're trying to understand some problems within Java environment, I would definitely suggest that you have a look at this because understanding that it exists, how it works, and some of those things can help you on your projects and with your experience in directing you on some of the things and some of the next steps that you might want to take should you encounter performance or stability or troubleshooting type issues with your Java applications.